is Harry Lerner, and I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Well, here. Oh, my favorite Yiddish word is Oysgeshpilt.
Which I think is true.
But anyhow, this young lady, and your name is Krista, asked me to say something, and I want to say she reminded me of when I was in Germany as a GI in the 1950s. The first time they let me off the base, I walked into the city of Mannheim. And as I was walking there, and I had civilian clothes on at the time, a man stopped me on the street and he asked me, "Wie spät ist jetzt?" And I knew exactly what he was saying. He was asking me what time it is. I looked at my clock and it happened to be 5 o'clock. So I said, "5 He said, "Was?" I said, "5 And he grabbed my arm and he looked at it, he said, "5 Uhr." And that was the first time that I knew the difference between Yiddish and German.
Wow. And your favorite Yiddish word, what is that? What did it mean?
Oysgeshpilt.
He has no more
I'm
energy.
played out. The game is over. I'm
But I
tired.
think that's
I use it as just I'm tired.
Mm-hmm.